I'm fine. I'm good. I'm happy. I'm excited to come to school. So there's a lot of answers that you can give to me. Okay, for example, I'm happy. Saya gembira. I'm excited. Apa excited? Saya sangat teruja to come to school, right? And then I feel marvelous. Saya rasa hebat. Saya rasa what else? Saya rasa what do you think? Hebat. Great. Okay, come to school this morning. Okay. Now, our first topic is where are you from? What does that mean? Apa maksudnya? Awak berasal dari mana? So, you can ask, I'm from Malaysia. I'm from the US. I'm from UK. I'm from Mexico. I'm from Brazil. I'm from Korea. Or I'm from China. Okay. So, when you look at the textbook, okay, when you look at the textbook, you can see there's different flags. Okay, Malaysia, UK, and US, UK, Mexico, Brazil, Korea, and China. Okay. Anyone here like Malaysia? Push up your hand. Ada siapa suka Malaysia? Okay. How about the US? Siapa suka US? America. Okay. How about the UK? Anyone here likes UK? Okay. How about Mexico? Mexico. Where's the Mexico? South America, Mexico. Okay. How about Brazil? Brazil. The famous footballer Brazil. Apa nama? Ronaldinho. Right. What else? Siapa lagi? Pemain bola. Neymar from Brazil. Okay. Korea, from Korea. Korea ni cerita Korea. Nah, cerita apa siapa suka? Your mom must be very excited to see the Korea movie. Mak awak mesti suka. What else? How about China? From China. Okay, China is a big country. Okay, now look at the text. Okay, look at the text here. Okay, ikut sah. Friends from around the world. We are friends. From around the world. We have got each other. We are not alone. My name is Aina. I'm from Malaysia. My friends from the UK. Her name is Anastasia. This is Paula. He's from Brazil. His friends from the US. Her name is Jill. Okay. When you read the text, you can see that. Okay. What's the name of the girl from Malaysia? Nama apa from Malaysia? Aina. From UK, nama dia? Anastasia. From America? Jill. And from Brazil? Okay, so you know that. Okay, and then from Taqdis, nama Akil Haikal. From Kersang, who is from Kersang? Who is from Tesak? Au. Okay. From Lubuk Jo? Daniel. You from? Ni. You from? Tak de. You from? Tak de. Tak de. You? Tak de. You from America? Tak de. You from German? You from Australia? Ni. You from? New Zealand? Gua tak de. Okay. All of you from Gua tak de. I'm from Lubuk Jo. Lubuk Jo is in Pasir Mas, and Pasir Mas is in Malaysia. We are Malaysian. Kita adalah orang Malaysia. Okey, kalau orang lain daripada negara lain. Okey. The value. What is the value? Respect in other cultures. Okey. Kita hormat negara lain. Kita hormat bangsa lain atau kita hormat bangsa lain. Okey, kita baca lagi sekali boleh? Friends from around the world. We are all friends from around the world. We have got each other. We are not alone. My name is Aina. I'm from Malaysia. My friends from the UK. Her name is Anastasia. This is Paulo. He's from Brazil. His friends from the US. Her name is Jill. Okay, so you know your friends. Now, this morning you have 2 friends. Pagi ni awak ada 2 orang kawan. Okay, nama kawan awak ialah Greg. Kita sebut Greg and Anna. Kalau dalam bahasa Melayu kita panggil Anna. Okay, but in English we pronounce Anna. Kita sebut Anna. Greg. Anna. Greg. Anna. Okay. So, berapa banyak kamu ada kawan? Nama dia mula-mula sekali the boy. And the girl? Okay, bagus. Awak ada 2 orang kawan. Okay. And now, look at the dialogue. Okay, look at the dialogue. Tengok dialogue bawah ni. Look at the dialogue. Okay. Ikut sah. She's from the US. It's Jill. Okay. Kalau kita nak layak, kita nak bagi tahu kita daripada negara mana-mana, kita kata I'm. Kita boleh kata I am. Boleh ringkas kita kata I'm from Malaysia. Okay, kita kata I'm from Malaysia. I'm from the US. I'm from the UK. I'm from Mexico. I'm from Brazil. I'm from Korea. I'm from China. Itu negara. Okay, awak asal dari mana? Okay, kalau kita nak bagi tahu, if you want to pronounce or if you want to know about their nationality, dia ni bangsa apa? For example, in Malaysia, we have Malay, we have Chinese, we have Indian, right? Contohnya di negara kita ada orang Melayu, orang Cina dan orang India. Dan ada banyak lagi lah, orang Iban, orang Kadazan. Tapi yang biasanya kita tengok yang besar, Melayu, India and China. Okay, kalau kita nak tahu nationality, kita kena kata kalau Malaysia, dia akan jadi Malaysian. Kita sebut Malaysian. Kalau the US kena jadi American. Kalau UK kena jadi the United Kingdom, UK. I'm from UK. Mexico jadi Mexican. I'm Mexican. Saya orang Mexico. Brazil, I'm Brazilian. Saya orang Brazil. Kalau Korea jadi I'm Korean. Kita sebut I'm Korean. Kalau China jadi apa? I'm Chinese. Kalau Malaysia jadi apa? Malaysian. Kalau Amerika jadi American. Kalau Mexico jadi Mexican. Kalau Brazil jadi Brazilian. Kalau Korea jadi Korean. Kalau China jadi Chinese. Kalau Tersanis. Kalau Lacanis. Kalau Lubuk Jonis. Okay. Itu menunjukkan nationality, bangsa. Kita tahu dia. Kalau kita kata he's from Korea, kita tahu dah dia daripada negara Korea. Okay, now how do you feel this morning? Apa awak rasa pagi ni? Happy. What else? Rasa apa hari ni? Apa lagi? Happy. Good. What else? Excited. Perfect. Wow, tepuk tangan. Perfect. Apa maksud perfect? Perfect ni maksudnya sempurna. What else? Cepat. Imam, what do you feel? Nervous. Ada tak rasa nervous? Rasa takut. Takut, nervous. What else? But I'm happy this morning. Tapi pagi ni I'm very happy to meet you this morning, the first day of school. Okay, so rasa sangat gembira. Okay, now you are growing. Awak semakin besar. Last year you are a very little, a tiny kid. Awak sangat kecil. Now you are big. Your stomach also big. Right? And then yang short become tall. Yang pendek jadi baby. Yang kurus jadi yang gemuk jadi kurus. Okay. Good. Okay, now open up your exercise book. Buka buku tulis. Yes, I want you to write down the topic. Okay, first of all, senang awak tulis nama kawan awak dekat buku ni. Awak tulis my friend, kawan saya. Ada dua orang kan? Okay, nama apa? Greg and Anna. Lepas bawah tu jangan buat besar sangat kan? Buat sikit lah. My friend Greg and Anna. Dengar sini, listen. Bawah ni The topic for this morning, where are you from? Awak berasal dari mana? Okay. So now awak buat all the flags. Semua bendera ni. Lukis semua bendera ni. Malaysia, UK, Mexico, Chinese, semua lukis. Faham? And then what? Dialogue, the text. Okay? Understand? Okay, I give you 15 minutes. 15 minit.